Take a ride in the 2019 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, anti-lock braking system, traction control, all-wheel drive, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.